Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Makari's Cakes here, and I'm super glad to have you all here on my channel. If you're new and you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back to my channel. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm teaching you all how to make this beautiful sugar craft, carrot, beads, and the likes of it. So if it's something you're really interested to watch, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video to the end. Welcome back, guys. So guys, please, before I start, I want to say cheers to 3,000 amazing subscribers. You all are amazing. I really appreciate you all. Okay, so guys, this is the colors I'm going to use for this video. That's the color green, the orange color for carrots, that's for Kolanut. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to pack all of them. I'm using fondant for this video. Okay, I don't want it to dry out, so I'm going to put them in the nylon and then take it when I need it. So I'm making the carrot first. Yes, making the carrots. And for you to make a carrot, you need to form a ball first. That's the most important step. The first step you need to do, make a ball, a very smooth ball. Like I said, I'm using fondant here, and I'm going to, if you need the recipe, you can check somewhere up in the video, maybe towards the end or in the middle of the video for the recipe. Okay, I'm going to post it up here. So guys, after making a ball, then you're going to form a more like a sausage, just like what I'm doing right now. So the down part there, it's where you're going to apply pressure. You know how carrot is, guys. If you know the shape of carrot, then you'll be able to achieve this with your hands. Okay, so after making more like a cone, from ball to making a cone, then you apply a bit of pressure on the down part, just like what I'm doing here, so as to achieve that carrot shape. Okay, so when you're doing this, you need to be very careful. Now that you know you've gotten the top part, apply pressure on the down so as to achieve that long sausage, just like the way a normal carrot is. Are you guys seeing in this video? So yes, so do not make it too slim, although there are carrots that are slim, but like I said, if you want to achieve this, you can have a picture on Google. Just get a picture on Google and then work with this. Trust me guys, you're gonna get it. Okay, so that's this is the carrots that I made with my hands. I mold it or something, sugar crab, whatever you can call it, but this is carrots made with sugar and it's edible. Okay, so guys, I'm done with this one. Hope you guys understood how I got to achieve this. So when you're done, for the whole part, I use, okay, before I continue, please make sure that you try as much as possible to achieve this down part. This down part is the most important thing for you to take note. Do not make it too slim, but it should be just be okay. So I'm going to use my ball tool to give it a hole in the center. Like I said, when doing this, just have a carrot by the side of you or on your Google phone so that you can understand what I'm doing here. Okay, so like I said, I use the ball tool to give it a hole, and then I'm also using my same tool to give it this mark. If you look at carrot properly, you could tell that there's this kind of funny mark it has on the foot. Okay, so this is me using my ball tool. I'm just trying to make it natural. It has to be natural, guys, just like a real carrot. This one that is edible, sugar craft carrot or something, it has to be edible. So I'm using my ball, my modeling tool. Yes, they call it modeling tool, to give it some stripes or some mark on the fondant carrot so as to make it look natural. So that's the tool, that's the modeling tool there on my hand. And yeah, so guys, that is it. So you can keep doing this until probably you feel satisfied. Just play around with this particular this mark here. You can play around with it, okay, and make it look lovely. So yeah, so if you don't understand, you can just watch the rewind the video a bit, and then you watch until you understand. Okay, my own goal or purpose is just to bring this type of content for you people so that you can always watch and understand. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, normally on a carrot there's this green head it has. Okay, so that's the essence of me punching that hole on the carrot. You can see how natural this, like, is almost looking natural, right? Now this is for this one I'm holding here. My students actually made this. I'm just showing you guys the next thing I'm going to do, which is the head, the color green. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that part. Okay, so me, I needed my fondant, and then using my glue paint to roll it smooth. You can see how this fondant is, guys. If you need the recipe, just look towards up on the video, towards the end of the video, and get my recipe. Okay, see how neat, it's not sticky, so stretchy, and very perfect for your modeling, right? Yes. So yeah, it's me here. I'm trying to do the head of the carrot. So I have to cut my fondant. You can use your discretion, there's no special method in doing this. Okay, so but for the head, I want you to see how I got to achieve it. I used scissors. I did more like cut in a square shape, and then I used scissors to cut it. Okay, then I had to make sure that you cut it well so that it will look natural. That's the most important thing for you to take note. Then I'm going to fold it. Actually folded it, and then insert it into the that hole I created initially. Okay, make sure that you fold it so that it will not cut off. Okay, you can see how it is, guys, looking so lovely, right? I totally enjoyed creating this content anyways. So I'm going to use water. I'm going to apply water, or what they call it, edible glue, so that it can stick properly. Okay, so that is it here. I'm applying water on it, and then I'm going to take the head. You know how carrot is, guys. Make sure that you apply enough water that can stick to it. Okay, or you can use edible glue. Edible glue is CMC and water. That's called edible glue. You can see how natural this carrot is. Like, it's looking so natural, and I love it. Recently I started, I'm enjoying modeling of foods. Is not my talent. Hi guys, I totally enjoy this content anyway, in as much that when I was creating it, my back was just paining me. So guys, if you know that to appreciate me for this thing, why I do like this, you guys should just subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you're watching me now and you've not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Just click on that subscribe button so that you can get notification anytime I upload the video. Okay, and also do not forget to turn your notification bell. Okay, so guys, that's the carrot. You can see how natural it's looking, and for me, I love it. Do you love it? I hope you love it as well. Okay, so guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is the Kolanut. Yeah, so to achieve this shade of purple, I use the pink and purple itself. You can also use only purple. Okay, that's if you have a good quality color of purple. But if you know that it's not that quality, you can just mix with pink and purple to achieve this color, not color. Okay, so firstly you make a ball, and then you press with your palm, just like what I'm doing in the video. You work on the sides of it, you press a little. I don't know how I'm going to explain this part of this Kolanut, but the only way you can get it right is if you watch this video like consistently, then you can understand. Okay, so I use my hands to do this. You make a ball first, roll with your hands to achieve a ball, and then you massage the Kolanut with your hands by the sides. You press it a bit just to have that Kolanut shape. So by the side and the top, just use your hands to massage it somehow, or use a palette knife. I used a palette knife here just to achieve that shape. In fact, this is my first time using palette knife for this video. For me, I usually don't use palette knife. I just use my hands and I get what I want. So our kolanut is looking natural, like looking natural gradually. Like I said, guys, I totally enjoyed filming this content in as much as my back, like when I was filming this content, my back was just spinning me. But then it's all for you guys, and that's why I'm here. So do not forget to subscribe. The thank you that you can tell me on this channel is just subscribe to my channel. Okay, so guys, form a ball and then you press down with your palm. Okay, and then you massage the sides, the two sides, press it a bit and massage it, just like what I'm doing here. That's how you can achieve this cola notes. I feel like I'm talking too much, but if I don't talk, if I put only music now, you guys might not understand. So I had to do talking, like do a voice note so that you guys can, understand properly. Okay, so make sure you massage the side, the two sides, so that they can give you that shape of cola nuts. Guys, am I making sense here? I don't know, but I feel like making sense anyway. So these are the ones my student actually did. See how natural it is, guys. I love it. I don't know if you do. For me, I love it. And that's what I'm showing you guys here. See how natural it's looking. Made with sugar. They're all edible. You understand, guys? So that is it. And I'm going to use my marker to, give it that line. You know how cola nut is, guys. It has this line on the body, so I'm going to use my marker to give it the line that's meant to be, so as to give it that natural look or natural effect. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So you can feel free to practice this. So it's not really hard, I'm telling you. Modeling is not really, as a modeling of fruits like sugar cloud fruits, is not that difficult. So if you're always looking, like if you always find it hard to do such thing, well, I hope this my video or my content helps you to understand how to do this. This is what I taught my students, my beginners class. In fact, this week I taught them how to make this, and I'm showing you guys for free on how to do this sugar craft thing. And for me, I feel excited sharing my content, whether it's paid content or not, but I always feel excited sharing my own knowledge, right? So guys, that's for the cola nut, and the next thing is garden egg. Okay, for garden egg, make sure that you use a little bit of yellow to achieve this color I'm holding on my hand. Okay, your yellow should not be too shouty, like too sharp, but a bit of yellow. Okay, I don't know the kind of yellow you guys have, but make sure that you add a bit of it, or if you have a cream color, fine, but add a bit of it so as to achieve that color I'm holding on my hand. So firstly, for the garden egg, you make a ball first and then form a cone. Not like too much of a cone, but a cone, but not too much of a cone. Because if you look at garden egg, a real garden egg shape, it doesn't have a cone. Some have a cone, some doesn't have a cone, some are just more like a ball, a round ball or something. But make sure that it shouldn't have a too much of a cone. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, after you're done with this, the next thing I did was to make the stem. We all know how garden egg is. There's this stem it has. So I used my hands to make the stem. I'm actually making another cone again, just for you guys to watch and understand. If you notice in this video, most of this thing I was doing it like 2 times so that you guys can understand very well. Okay, so this one, my students also did this as well. I'm just showing you guys how it looks, or how it's going to look at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm doing the stem now using my color green fondant. For the stem, make sure you roll into sausage, a very long sausage, not too big, not too fat, but something like this here in the video. And then after you're done, you have to pinch it. Yes, so to achieve that stem that is to be on the garden egg, make sure you pinch it into 4 or 3. Okay, for this one here, I did one for 4 and the second one was 3, right? So yeah, that is it. So you pinch it, like give it a pinch, and then you keep on drawing it out, just like what I'm doing here. I hope you guys will be able to do this anyway. And if you are enjoying watching this video, I beg, like this video. If you're enjoying it, just click on that like button right away. Don't just waste time. Like, don't waste time, guys. Click on that like button anyway, right away, like now. And then just subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the first time, okay? Yes, guys, so this is the stem that I'm doing for the garden egg. Okay, so I'm going to get it now, then apply a little bit of water on it so that it can stay. Like I said, you can use edible glue, you can also use water. Edible glue is CMC and water. Okay, so any of this, it just mix your CMC and water, it will give you edible glue, or you can use only water. So I actually did that to, I used the water to gum it, and then I bend it a little so that it will give me that garden egg shape. You guys know how garden egg is now. So that's what I did here. Then the next thing I did was I used my marker to give it that shape, that line shape. I think for the normal garden egg, it has this color green, so I didn't really have a green marker. I had color black, so I had to use what I want. So we had to use what I have to achieve the line. So if you have a green marker, you can do that, okay? So this is the garden egg, the normal yellow garden egg that we all know and we all see. Okay, so guys, that's how to make garden egg. If you don't understand the video, you can just try to watch it, rewind it, watch as much as you want, and trust me, you will definitely understand all what I'll be saying. Okay, so if I say again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, okay? And share this video, guys. You can share it to your different cake groups, people that you know that will benefit from it. Just help me to share my videos. At least it will help my channel to grow. It will help my analytics on my YouTube channel, okay? So guys, this is the bead. I'm sorry I wasn't able to do the bead because I was tired and my back was paining me. So probably in the next video I will show you guys how to make the bead, okay? So I'm done. You see how beautiful this thing is. Like, guys, I love it. It's looking so natural. Look at the bead. Please take note that the bead I'm going to show you guys in my next video, okay? Because I was so tired I couldn't do it anymore. So please expect the next content. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you love how this thing turned out to be. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. You'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. Like this video and share my video as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood everything I taught here. I love this. I love what I did just now. Thank you so much, guys. Bye, guys.